This evening with the surf and turf, I'm going to use tiger prawns from Vietnam. A couple of garlic cloves, crush them up, and then a little bit of butter and some olive oil. Let that melt. Put a little bit of garlic salt in. Add the garlic at the very end because you don't want it to, that can burn. A little bit of not particularly nice aftertaste. Crush in a little bit of garlic. As you see, the prawns will change colour. Nothing better than some smell of garlic and butter cooking. I could put a splash of wine. A couple of minutes each side, 2 minutes each side. Once they've gone pink, really, leave them for a little bit longer. It's the garlic, you don't want the garlic burning. So there you go.